Hey, what's up everybody? Today we have a new unboxing video and this time it's a headphone. Now, this is one of the special headphones that you can have and it's very rare on the market that is or rarely marketed in the market. It's the JBL Everest Elite 750 NC. This thing over here has many perks, to be honest with you. It's wireless and also it can be used as wired, and it has a noise reduction feature. It's also it is like 15 hours of using time, so this is really great. Now there are some things that actually have, so let's open up first and see what do we have here. That's a black box. Before we go deeper, let's take a look at the perks of this headphones. So it says legendary pro audio sound, adaptive noise cancelling. We have echo cancelling microphone, which is something new. Comfort fit. So this is what we're looking for such thing, like a big in-ear. You want to have it like comfortable in your ear because you're traveling for hours, you're walking for hours, you're running, you're doing your thing, you're playing games. So you need to make sure that this is really comfortable. Fold and carry. So this is really so great. So that's it about the perks that we have. Let me just double check. Yeah, so we have here, it says 15 hours with active noise cancelling. So if you turn it off, you'll get around 5 hours, or extra 5 hours. So you get 20 hours of usage when you disable the noise cancelling. How to unbox this thing? Yep. So let's try it from here. All right. So that's a black box, and we have this beautiful leather. This is quality, by the way. This is a bag. Download my JBL headphones app. So this is where you can customize stuff. I'm not sure. That's pretty nice packaging. Whoa. Stick this over here. I love that the color, the metal color. So, you gotta be careful here. Oh, what's going on here? Is this thing broken? It is not clicking, actually. Hello. Let me double check. All right, it's just stiff, It's just stiff, It's been like this for a long time. Wow. Yeah. So first impression, of course, this leather has been twisted, but with time, it's gonna go back in place. But first impression, guys, that this, like these, actually leather foams over here is as big as this guy over here. So yeah, it's quite big, but the size is also almost the same, which is really surprising. I thought this would be like bigger size. Let's try and open up here and see. Yeah, there are too many of them. That's good. So leather, the quality is great, sturdy. I love the color. It has this extra thing over here, so it's not like the Pulse when you cover it all, but it's like that's it. So I'll try to wear it right now. Let's see, before we do anything, we have other stuff. No, this is like really great, so you can see that texture. So it will be easy for you to plug this thing anywhere inside this bag. Let's open up this guy. Probably there's yeah, that's the wired, also colored as the headphones. This is beautiful. It's not just the typical black thing. No, the charger is a micro USB, guys. Micro USB, and it's orange. So this is what you get from this one, which is really nice. I wish it was USB Type C because it's 2019, but I'm not sure even if this thing was released in 2019. It's the flagship of JBL when it comes to the headphones. Anyways, let's take a look on the right side. We have the power button over here. What's going on here? Yeah, never mind. But the other things, so this is plastic, definitely plastic. This is the volume up, play, down, probably pause, play. This is what you have on the left side. The right side, you have nothing. You have the headphone port over here, and that's it. So this one retails around $200, 200 something, you know. The Bose, it retails around like 300 something, with the discounts, of course. So I'll try it out now and see how it feels like. Just give me a second. All right. Okay, so the feelings, it's a bit tight. It's a bit tight for me. It's not as like this guy, easy to wear like the Bose one. Maybe the flex is way better, maybe because of the hinge over here. It's not available here. So this hinge can give you like flexibility. That's one thing I noticed straight away. Maybe because it's just a new product, it needs time to flex and stuff. Maybe with time it'll be more comfortable. I need to use it. So this is just an unboxing, guys. This is just an unboxing. So yeah, two things I'm gonna test later on. I'm gonna test the quality of the sound, and I'm gonna test the the sound isolation of this product. This is very, very important to take note of, when it comes to the flexibility. So for me, I hope it's gonna be nice, because I have a higher expectation of this one. Comfort, we have to wait and see. I cannot decide right now. I need to wear it for like half an hour or 1 hour stay. If it's really feels okay, that's really great. If it's not, I'm gonna let you know in the comparison. So I'm gonna do a comparison video between the Bose Quiet Comfort 15 and the JBL Everest 750 noise cancelling headphones. See you guys later.